Question. When a motor is running, what does full load current, FLC, refer to? A. The current the motor draws at startup. B. The current the motor draws when operating at its rated horsepower. C. The maximum current the motor can draw before it burns out. D. The current draw when the motor is idling. Answer. B. The current the motor draws when operating at its rated horsepower. Explanation. FLC is the standard metric provided on the motor nameplate. It is the specific value used to properly size the circuit conductors and the overcurrent protection for that motor. Question. If a three-phase motor is drawing higher than normal amperage, what is the most likely cause? A. The motor is running too fast. B. Low supply voltage or mechanical overload. C. The ground wire is disconnected. D. The ambient temperature is too low. Answer. B. Low supply voltage or mechanical overload. Explanation. If a motor is working harder than it should, mechanical overload. Or, if the incoming voltage is too low, the motor will pull more current to maintain its required power output, leading to overheating. Question. Which of the following is the most dangerous condition when troubleshooting a live panel? A. Working with a digital multimeter. B. Having a partner nearby. C. An arc flash or arc blast event. D. Using insulated hand tools. Answer. C. An arc flash or arc blast event. Explanation. Arc flash releases explosive energy and intense heat in a fraction of a second. It is one of the most lethal hazards in the trade, which is why your PPE and LOTO procedures are non-negotiable. Question. What device is used to protect a motor against excessive heating due to overloads? A. A standard circuit breaker. B. An overload relay. C. A ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCID. A step-down transformer. Answer. B. An overload relay. Explanation. Overload relays are designed to mirror the heating curve of the motor. They trip if they sense the motor is running hot for a sustained period, protecting the sensitive internal windings.